Okay, so we're still in Arkansas right now. I think we're close to the state line.
I think so. We're probably not far.
Maybe 30, 40 minutes away from the state line to go into Oklahoma. I think that's right.
Oklahoma.
And yeah, we're all packed up, ready to go. We got a slight oops in the back of the van, but we'll get that fixed later. But she had a good night. We slept good. And we had breakfast.
Yep.
And
ready to roll.
Yep, I'm gonna jump out, show you where we stayed, and then we're gonna hit the road and see where we end up. Maybe a Cracker Barrel, maybe another rest area. But this rest area was quiet.
Yeah, we're on the top deck too.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so this is where we stayed last night. Like I said, rest area. Trucks are down bottom. We were up top here, and it was quiet. There was maybe 5 vehicles parked all along this top side. That was it. A couple travelers like us, and yeah, not a bad place overall. Okay, so I'm editing this video for Stand on the Ridge Homestead Paradise. So I got the cotton board there I usually taken care of over here. Hope is in the process of dicing onions and potatoes and that onion she just cut is probably the stinkiest onion. I mean, look at Hope's eyes right now.
I put water in my face to draw the scent away. No, it went.
Yeah, I got the fan on up there to try and suck at it because my eyes are stinging.
It's helping. My eyes aren't quite as bad as they were. My nose isn't running.
Yeah, it's working, but my God, that onion. Woof. Just so you know, right now we are in Oklahoma, about halfway in the state. Editing this other video so it can come out in about a week. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. And to Jason and Tara, thank you guys. Thanks for letting us come visit you. We enjoyed it. We loved it. And the weather, for being January, couldn't beat it, could we, babe? Unbelievable, yeah. It's crazy. So, we love you guys.
Love ya.
Okay, the sun came out just as we come to Oklahoma. Okay, thank you to Cracker Barrel yet again. Very, very quiet location. Absolutely great place to sleep. Right next to a Tractor Supply.
We're at the rest stop. Humans and the pupperoo had to take a potty break. Be nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, nice.
It's a heck of a river, babe.
Yeah, it's got a lot of tributaries around it too. It's like a pond over yonder, or it might be a part of that. I don't wanna. Oh, those cliffs are pretty.
It's called Lake. We went there.
Oh, I can't. The word I was trying to pronounce it. I got it. I guess it was Euphla, but I'm sure it's probably wrong. Oil wells. There's a cell tower to the right of the blue and white and yellow. Ooh, Canadian geese are visiting the pond. trail. John Wayne movie. Like teepee covers to keep the warmth in. Prevent rain from getting you.
Okay, about 5 miles that way, it said entering Oklahoma city limits. Take a look out the window, guys. That's the funniest looking city I've seen in my life.
Yep.
There's cows, there's farmsteads. I don't see a city.
Nope.
They lost their city.
Must be planning one. Hey, it's Hope is a Vibe. That's me. Boathouse District.
See a skyscraper. I think we found it. That's a good 20 miles from that sign that says Oklahoma city limits. Weird.
Unfortunately, they're not open on Sunday, but they got the Route 66 Museum, Will Rogers Highway. We'll have to try to hit it some other time.
Looks pretty cool though.
Yeah, got a lot of interesting stuff. Old-fashioned hot dog stand, roadside attraction. Phillips 66 did a good job of it.
Okay, so we're about to do the Love Truck Stop shower thing. Tell you how much it costs and all that. What are you doing?
Did you want to leave it in?
Yeah, leave it in.
Alright. Mr. B didn't want that.
Okay, we're in the shower. This is what you get. Nice shower. Get your own bathroom. Yeah, $17. Well worth it for the two of us. As Hope was saying, looks like I got horns.
Yep.
Just little devil ones, but that's okay. Hey, we just got done taking showers at the Love's truck stop.
At Eric, number
Yep, it was
253.
$17 for the two of us to get in there and take a shower. And it was nice hot water. They provided the towels. I feel clean.
Yeah. I normally wash in the sink or do a quickie shower, but it felt more like I was able to cheese that with washing my hair. I don't use shampoo. I use the shampoo bars and conditioner bars. Since then, my hair has been growing nuts.
And it's been going good.
Yeah.
But that shower was brilliant.
Yeah.
Well worth it. So if you're ever on a cross-country trip or you got the family and you got to stop because a kid puked or something like that, you can always throw them in the shower at a Love's truck stop, and it's well worth it. Well worth it. And the people were magic. They were just great, weren't they?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. They provide the towels and everything. You know, if you don't have any towels with you, they'll provide it.
Yep.
And you can buy a wash kit too there for, I think, $19 if you didn't have anything with you.
And the second reason we're making this little clip right now is we've been saying, we'll tell you why we're doing this trip. We're going to tell you why we're doing this trip. Well, when we were in the military, like 2007, when we got orders from 29 Palms to Camp Lejeune, we jumped in our vehicles, loaded them up, and it took us 4 days to travel from the West Coast to the East Coast. I don't remember seeing any of it. I just drove and we drove and we drove.
The only time we stopped is when one of our oldest was listening to No Doubt singing.
No, that was a different time.
Oh, I thought it was.
No, a different time.
I thought he was going to leave him there.
This time I was in the Jeep with no front seat with the 4 dogs.
Oh, yeah. I was in with Nigel.
Pulling the Harley. You were in the truck.
Falling asleep.
With Nigel. And we were doing
Pedal to the
15 hours a day driving until we got there. So that's the reason we're doing this trip. We actually wanted to slow down and actually see America, because we sure as heck didn't see it when we were in the military.
So usually when we had orders, we'd have to save enough money for when we got to the next base, and you never knew if you'd get into housing. Sometimes it was booked and you'd have to wait a while, a couple months, or maybe even a year or more. So, you know, we didn't have the money to blow to, you know, do junk fun stuff. So if we're driving along and we see a dinosaur at a rest area, oh, stop, and then let the kids take a look at the dinosaur, you know, and do that kind of thing. But, you know, this way we can do the traveling until our kids can afford to do that, or even if they can't, now at least they can watch the videos and see what the different places in the States look like, and decide if that's what they want to do, go there or whatever, you know.
And we're still traveling quick, really, honestly.
Yeah, pretty quick.
I mean, this is day 8 and we're past halfway.
Yeah.
And we have blown by so many side shows we could have stopped and seen.
Well, a lot of them
that we didn't know
closed.
about. Like today, Route 66 Museum was closed.
Yeah, Sunday.
So, oh well. Tomorrow we should be in Texas, and the day after that we'll be in New Mexico.
Yeah.
And then from New Mexico, we are slowing way down because
we got friends there.
We got friends there. We want to see the Grand Canyon, so that may be 3-4 days. There's a couple other parks there around there that we might want to see. So, yeah, that's the main reason for this trip, though, is to slow down and see America. I mean, me being a wee boy from Scotland, this is just amazing to me to start with. So,
yep.
Yeah. And,
I know when I went to Ellsworth Air Force Base, South Dakota, it was just mainly my dad driving, me sleeping, and waking up now and then, and just, you know, straight shot there from Michigan. So
we can actually enjoy America.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Every state is completely different. It is amazing.
And they're all beautiful in their own way.
Yeah. Oh, and here's a little PSA. If you own a truck and you throw your McDonald's wrappers in your truck bed and your McDonald's cups and Burger King stuff, it blows out. I've seen about 10 vehicles today, stuff blowing out their trucks. And the side of I-40 looks, in some spots, it's hideous. It is just trash everywhere. But you get past the trash, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
But come on, people.
Let's keep America beautiful.
We got to do better at taking care of this place. It's just beautiful. So, that's why we're traveling. We love you guys.
Yep. We hope to see you. And hope you like and subscribe.
Yep. So, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye.
See ya.
Love your grandkids.
Love ya. See ya.
Bye.
Love ya.
Love ya.